The next example deals with links or hyperlinks. As you can see, I've taken the code used in the course and put it into the skeleton of an HTML document there. And the line that's in red and marked now as I'm showing you, that's the link tag. The tricky thing about the link is that the word link is an element, but it's used to link resources in the head, to link style sheets, for example. But the actual links or hyperlinks to other pages in a web page uses the A tag. The A stands for anchor, and as we can see, the anchor tag or the link tag, I probably mix both terms, has two very important attributes. The first is href, and that points to the actual URL, the page you want the link to go. Then you have target, and that explains where you want the page opened, if you want it open in the current browser or window, or in a new browser or a new window. And then you have the text. This is actually what you see in the link, and then we actually close the A tag here. So we can test this and see how it works, of course. I've already done this in advance. You can see the page here, and if I click on it, we had blank as the target, and when you have blank as a target, it opens separate, in this case, tab, or it could be a window, depending on which type of browser you're using. And that's it. I recommend that you test the link tag, practice with absolute references or paths, as you see this, HTTP. Then, of course, if you're going to link, say, to something in your document or your website, you would have cats.html or something like that. And you would have my cats. And this would, of course, be on your website and link to a file you had created called cats.html. These would be a relative search path instead of an absolute pointing at that. And you probably wouldn't open it with blank. You might want to just open where it is, leave it. And of course, links are what's used in navigation to navigate through your site. And so we can test this. It's not going to work because I haven't made a file called cats and so forth. We can refresh, and there are my cats. When I click on it, it's going to say not found, because of course it's looking on the server for a file called cats.html and it's not there. So experiment with this, create some navigations, use links, link to other pages and so forth.